Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dryer venting tips and practices. Flexible transition hose between the dryer and the wall outlet should be either the foil type or the aluminum flexible duct, most preferred. Do not use the plastic or vinyl. Concealed ducting must be rigid metal, galvanized or aluminum duct.
Take our lead.
It is not advisable to vent a dryer through the roof. This is one of the most common mistakes we see from people who are not experienced with air ducts. Dryer vent specialists will tell you that a vertical approach to installing a dryer vent is inefficient and creates a fire risk for a home if it goes unchecked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.